Hey, look, it's a squirrel. It is. It's not. It's a squirrel. I swear. Look, it's a squirrel. Hello? Hello? There's a problem. I don't know. What is it? Mr. Squirrel? Mr. Squirrel? Hello? Hello? Damn. I think he's stoned. Hello? Hi. Hello? Hello? Hi. We're back with Mr. Squirrel, and him is, we think he's still stoned, or maybe he's mad at us, or we don't know. So look what we bought him. Look, Mr. Squirrel. Mr. Squirrel, we bought you a giant acorn. Isn't that cool? Oh. Oh, no.